Hi, hope my lovelies. How you all doing out there in YouTube land? Right, today I've done these before, but not for quite a while. So today I'm going to do an old threepence, or it used to be called a threepenny bit. I remember these when I was a kid. Go down the old sweet shop, get the old penny chews. You could get about 6 or 7 sweets for that. Now you get nothing. Not even with a pound, you'd get nothing. Okay, first of all, yep, same old, same old. Let's punch the hole in it. I'd like to thank my latest subscribers for hitting that button. Thank you so much. There's a little button there, little red button. If you press that, it costs you nothing and it helps me out a lot. So come on and press it, come on. And the like button, please, thank you. With sprinkles on top. Right, let's go a bit further. This is my 20-ton hydraulic press. She's a good girl most of the time. Other times she gets very wet on me. Right, what we got? I have to slap this on the bottom. Yeah. Okie dokie. Oh, another week begins. Okay. If you're new to the channel and you're looking for a custom ring, I could be your man. I just want to clean up that inside edge. So we break out Christy burr. This is a deburring tool. You just want to make sure there's no cracks or splits. But I say the same thing every video. But what else can you say, you know? I watch other videos of other people doing stuff and they say the same bloody thing day in, day out, so. So what's the latest gossip then? You got any good gossip to tell me? A little bit more. The only trouble with these are they're a bit of a bugger to get on spike because they're a small coin. See? Tiny. Right, let's give it some love. With Bernie, the fire starter. Ouch. That bit me. You can't beat the smell of burnt hair, can you? Especially on a Monday evening. This is called annealing. Okie dokie. Right, there you go. And I think we'll go with the threepence on the sunny side up on the ring. So that goes face down in my 17-degree folding die. And we go over. It's a big red. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Yeah. Now we just want to clean up without sandy. We just want to clean up the edge, make sure it's nice and sexy and clean and no scratches or crack forming or, you know the score. I've said it 1,000 more, a few hundred times. I don't have 1,000 videos like that. Yeah, I need to get a new phone. But I can't afford them at the moment because I'm having trouble going live. I think it's this phone. Well, it's not looking too good. This might split. If it does, I'll have to start again. Right, let's go to spray. Will this fit over? Yes, just about. Try and start it. I mean, it will be a small ring, this as well. Right, the kitchen roll protects the text and the relief on the inside of the coin. I mean, you're not going to see it, but, you know, why not keep it? Some guys use a shopping bag, you know, plastic bag. I prefer the kitchen roll. It's a bit thicker and it's 2-ply, you know. I think I might not go too much more with this. It needs to be loved up a bit more with Bernie. There we are. These are very narrow banded rings, these cooking bits. But I've got loads of different coins. You can check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com. There's not a lot in there at the moment, but you get the rough idea. I've got loads of different coins, or you can even send me your own coins. Yeah, but I need to get a different phone. Every time I put it in my camera holder, my phone holder, it goes pear-shaped. It won't have it. I mean, holding it, yeah, it works, but as soon as I put it in that bloody phone holder, it's not having it. So I need to get something else. I think, what's it looking like? Well, it ain't looking too bad. What size we got? At the moment we've got EU size. This is a size 58.5. Yeah, I think I could go a bit more. Let's go crazy. There you go. Does it fit my little finger? Oh, nearly, but not quite. But I think that'll do for that. So now, when I go to the bottom end of spike, and I want to straighten up them walls. So this is the bottom end, a spiky. And then you just got to find one. These are reduction dies, different sizes on both sides. So you just want to find one where it protrudes out. Just want to make sure it's square. That's pretty square. Bit more. A little bit more. That's not looking too bad. angles are straight. There's a little bit of a lip on the inside there. I want to cut that out, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. Well, still above freezing here in Helsinki. Well, I'm just outside Helsinki, but miserable looking day. I prefer the snow. Makes everything look clean and white, and it stays white, not like UK, it goes all dirty and slushy. But this year, we ain't had hardly any snow. We had a black Christmas. Of course, everybody's got their studded tyres on, and at the moment there's no ice on the road. It's just ripping up the white lines, you know, and the zebra crossings. But it's still a little bit slippery here and there, you know. Of course, you hit the old throttle and the old wheels spin and rip up the white lines. They have to replace them nearly every couple of years because of the winter. I don't know if you're interested in all this jibber jabber, but it's better than saying nothing, isn't it? No, I'd rather you say nothing. This also makes the ring slightly larger because you're cutting that lip out, as you can see there. Looks a bit sad at the moment, but let's break out a new Kate Bush. She's looking pretty manky. I've got a lot of here. Here we are. I have some more Kates. Okay. Yeah, look, she's had better days. Why did I take it out? Stupid boy. Right. Is it going to fly off? No. This is just like Quad Zero steel wool. It's very, very fine. Doesn't really scratch the coin. It just takes the fire scale off. And brightens it up a bit. Bit more volume. Ouch. Right, let's give it a bit of love. Let's polish it up a bit. No, I didn't have curry last night. I'm getting really low on this polish. I need to get some more. But being where I live, I have to sort of drive about 20 kilometres. Of course, we don't even have a post office near us anymore at the moment. I have to drive about 20 miles to bloody post stuff, you know, to the States and that, or even to Europe, a ring, you know. You've got to go through the customs and that old bullshit, you know, fill the form in. What's in it? How many's in there? What's it worth? I mean, God, I mean, it's just crazy nowadays. Everything takes about an hour to do anything. What happened to the good old days, eh? What's the value? Okay, folks, one UK threepenny bit. I'm not a big fan of the polishing, but there you go. 3 pence. And that's why you use the kitchen roll. You've got the text on the inside. And there it says, thank you for watching. Hit the like button. And how about hitting the subscribe button? Helps me out, costs you nothing. And there you go. 1 threepenny bit ring. Nearly fits my little finger. What about this hand? Well, it fits there just about. So there you go, folks. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. And I'll catch you tomorrow. Have a good one. So bye-bye.